when you can stand authentically in your own skin and share your own story, it encourages people to do the same and to own what their awesome is.
Yeah.
Or awesome, as you say. How do you say it? Awesome.
G'day guys, Rob from A Life That Travels, and I'm with Ashley.
Keep going. Keep it going.
Let's start
Jenna.
Let's start
Jenna.
again.
I'm not Ashton, okay? Just kidding. No, let's go.
That's pretty authentic.
So, my name is Jenna Kutcher. This chap over here thinks he knows what I'm about.
Jenna Kutcher. We're at, you can see the sign up behind us, social media marketing world, and she has just absolutely rocked the stage.
Well, thank you.
It was brilliant. Talking about Instagram, guys, and you know, a lot of you guys are going to be interested in Instagram, and you should check out this lady because she is special and has got some really awesome knowledge about how you can do Instagram better. But that's not what I wanted to ask you about.
What do you want to ask?
You good question. And I'm going to ask. You asked this. You really presented lovely in this way that, you know, in talking about Instagram, you're saying that, you know, being honest and open and vulnerable is really important. And I wanted to ask you about that, but also how important is it in life just to be okay, show up?
Yeah. I mean, before I spoke today, I was terrified because we're filled with a room of people that are traditional marketers. I'm not traditional.
Yeah.
But still, I showed up on the stage barefoot.
Yeah.
And I think that what's so important about being vulnerable is even if people haven't been through the same experience or the same life trials, they can say, me too. We've all lost someone. We've all been through a hardship. We've all been sick. We've all had something that, you know, attempted to pull us down. And I think that there's so much power in me too. We had a line of people just waiting to talk because they've been through something and something I've said has resonated with them. And it might not be the same scenario, but it creates connection. And so in real life, online, everywhere.
And that's amazing. I mean, this is like an hour or 45 minutes after after you finished talking, and you got mobbed there.
Yeah, flash mob.
Yeah, it was flash mob. And it's lucky you didn't do a shout on Instagram because you probably would have like 100 other people down here.
Right.
So that's obviously a big part of this, isn't it? Because I mean, you're obviously running a very successful business.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
But outside of that, you know, that kind of honesty and vulnerability in what you do, you know, people do connect to that.
And nobody tonight came up and said, I mean, they did say great talk, but the conversation was never surface level because I don't let it stay there. I don't want it to be there. I want to know people's stories. And I think that when you can stand authentically in your own skin and share your own story, it encourages people to do the same and to own what their awesome is.
Yeah.
Or awesome, as you say. How do you say it? Awesome.
Good job. Now tell me something. So let's talk. Can we talk about the feet?
Yeah.
Why are you barefoot? Because I love I'll tell you my story afterwards. You tell me yours.
So we live in Hawaii part of the year. Super comfortable. We run barefoot. We walk barefoot.
Conversation's over.
And also, I broke my foot 6 times in 1 year, and I hate footwear. I don't know. I just hate it. I'm clumsy. What about you?
How do you break your feet 6 times?
I was a gymnast. I was legit.
Wow.
I wasn't that legit.
I read an article. I'm like all into sort of articles and sciencey sort of stuff. And
Better for your feet.
Yeah, well, I've heard that too for your arches. But what I'd read was that when you've got your shoes off, you're more creative.
I like
There's
it.
There's actual research.
Yeah, you feel more
feel
grounded.
You're connected, right?
Yes, and I love yoga, like being grounded.
Yeah.
I like it.
So it shows, like you're connected to the earth.
Yeah.
So there we
I
go.
like it. Thanks,
Practical
guys.
lifestyle tips. It's so good to meet you.
My name is Ashley Kutcher.
And I'll pop your
kidding.
Instagram handle down the bottom so people can find you.
Awesome.
Thank you so much for your
My
time.
next goal is to talk like this guy.
See you next time.
Oh, thank you.
Bye.